For the grader blade that's both long on life and short on service, Valley Blades Limited proudly introduces Carbit-Link, the world's most advanced sectional grader blade. Carbit-Link is a system of interlocking segments that together act as one uniform blade. This innovative design is the result of VBL's continuous efforts to increase product performance. Each segment is only 12 inches long and weighs a mere 30 pounds. This makes maintenance a one-person job that reduces strenuous lifting for safer and easier installation. Lining the bottom edge and sides of the forged and heat-treated segment runs a strip of tungsten carbide matrix for extra protection in the most abrasive zones. Holding 6 replaceable teeth each, Carbit-Link segments also make it effortless to manage wear patterns by shifting segments across the blade instead of handling each bit individually. The Carbit-Link system is available with any tool bit style, with or without washers, rotating and non-rotating, and both sharp and blunt tips. For ultimate safety and ease of maintenance, pair up Carbit-Link with VBL's exclusive Taper-Lock tool bits. With Taper-Lock, when it's time for replacement, the tapered shank easily releases from the socket and completely eliminates seized bits. No more safety risks or extended downtime. At the tip of the Taper-Lock is a sharply angled tungsten carbide edge that can aggressively penetrate material and leave a smooth, even finish behind. Available for all sizes of graders, Carbit-Link fits directly to OEM bolt patterns without any modifications required. Contact Valley Blades to fit your grader with the world's most advanced sectional grader blade that lasts longer, performs better, and makes maintenance safer and easier. Carbit-Link by Valley Blades.